Hello everyone and welcome to our video. This video is our submission for the Eternity Hackathon Akashvani. The product that we have built is called AE Swap, which is a decentralized exchange that is DEX based on Eternity. So the main components of a DEX are a swap where you can swap one currency to another, liquidity, where users can provide liquidity and get LP tokens in return. The liquidity is what helps the swap to take place in a decentralized manner. And the third is a bridge, which facilitates transfer of tokens from one blockchain to another blockchain. So as you can see, the highlighted component that we built for this hackathon is the bridge, a prototype of the bridge rather, which would move AEX9 fungible token standard of tokens from Eternity to Ethereum, thereby creating ERC20 fungible standard tokens and vice versa. So if you see the architecture of the bridge, we have a React app that constantly interacts with two JS scripts. One is on the Eternity side called eternity.js and another is on the Ethereum side called ethereum.js. These scripts will constantly listen to another contract called the bridge contract, written in for the Eternity side, written in Sophia, and written in Solidity for the Ethereum side. These bridge contracts will emit events and which will be constantly listened by these scripts, right? The bridge APIs, as we call them. And at the last of the at the core of everything, of course, lies the token contract. So here is the token base is the ERC20 contract, and fungible token full is the AEX9 contract that we are using in our product. So what happens is when the user comes to the React app, the user can choose whether they want to convert from AEX9 to ERC20 or vice versa. And based on what the user's choice is, the particular scripts are being called for both burn and mint. So once the tokens are minted, then there is an event that is emitted, which will go to the React app, which will go to the scripts, and the tokens will get burnt on the other chain. So on one chain, the tokens are minted, and on the other chain, the tokens are burnt. The front end that we have used for our product is React. And right now it is very simple that we can enter the AE address and the amount of tokens, and that will be converted into ERC20 and vice versa. So right now we are working on enabling MetaMask, and we would also like to do a superhero integration going forward. For the bridge APIs, I have just added screenshots of the scripts that we have written. They are JS scripts. So the eternity.js will help connect to the bridge contract and perform the minting and the burning. And the ethereum.js will help connect similarly to the bridge contract to perform the minting and the burning. Currently, since we have only built a prototype, we are directly interacting with the token contracts themselves, if you would see in the GitHub repo. The set of contracts, of course, that we have used, there are two bridge contracts, but you would see only the token contracts in the repo. For the Solidity repo, you can also see the bridge contract, but for the Sophia for the Eternity repo, we are directly interacting with the token contract just to test out the POC. Some of the future enhancements that we would like to do and we have already started working on is, of course, the first is the liquidity part, where we want to implement the automated market maker protocol, where we can register for liquidity pairs. The token pairs can be registered, and users can provide liquidity for registered token pairs. And we can at the back end, we can create LP tokens to give them to give to those users who are providing liquidity. And we are working on building an algorithm that will efficiently give them incentives for holding the LP tokens as well. Of course, the second most important for us is a superhero wallet integration. This would be important for the swap, for the liquidity, as well as for the bridge part, where users can just connect to the superhero wallet. We can get the information of the users from the superhero wallet, and all the transactions can directly happen using that. The third feature, which we will be working in a little bit eventually, would be to enable the swap feature as well. So we want to thank Eternity and everybody in the organizing team for giving us this opportunity to participate in the Akashvani Hackathon. And we would of course love to take this project forward and actually work on it, just not from a prototype perspective, but to an extent that we are able to put it up for production as well. Thank you everyone. And I would also like to thank my teammates, Pratik and Sheetab, who have worked tirelessly overnight to make these contracts and everything happen. And yeah, I hope that we would be working with Eternity team soon.